What is up, y'all? Today, I'm so excited, y'all. Today we are filming fishing stereotypes. But before we get into that, I want to say thank you to making my video, which was filmed yesterday, to get to 159 views, I think it is. That's awesome, y'all. And thank y'all for subscribing and liking. And I'm trying to work on the comments. Today's comments will be turned on so you can comment. And that's all I want to say. But today, it'll be a hilarious video. Stay till the end. Let's go film fishing stereotypes. See you at the... Oh man, I just broke my brand new crankbait.
Hey, you want some more crankbaits?
Bro, how many did you bring?
50.
Man, you brought an extra chair too?
Yeah, you always gotta be prepared.
It ain't even sunny outside.
So? This thing is young. I think I caught a fish.
Dude, that's just your bait.
Then I want a different bait.
No, that one's really good.
I think my bait's dead.
Oh, that's just stupid. Another rat's nest. Let's try again. Oh, come on. Reset.
If y'all can catch a caterpillar, y'all can catch a fish. I caught a fish this big. I caught a fish this big. I caught a fish this big.
Oh, come on now. There we go. Okay, so that was fishing stereotypes. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Thank you for viewing. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing, and please comment below. I want to know what y'all think, and I will make sure to turn them on. So I'll make another video tomorrow. I should be bass fishing, but we'll see what happens. See ya.